Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a complete tutorial on system restore functionality on Windows 11, which is nearly the same as with previous iterations of Windows, I believe going back to Windows 2000 or Windows Vista, honestly. So it hasn't changed that much over the span of time, but I just wanted to make a tutorial for this operating system, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the magnify search icon. Type in system restore. Best result should go back with create a restore point. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select the system restore button up here. If you don't see this option as clickable, you might have to create a restore point if protection says it's off. For example, you're going to have to turn it on. And in order to do that, you go ahead and select the create button down here and actually go ahead and create a restore point and configure it as well. So you might have to configure the system restore, make sure it has space on your computer, so make sure it's turned on. And then once you've done that, you probably will then go ahead and create one. So once you configure it, then you create a restore point. And then once you've done that, then you can open up the system restore button here. And it says to restore system files and settings. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. System restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures, or other personal data. Recently installed programs and drivers might be uninstalled. Select next. Select the restore point that you want to go back to. Normally, the most recently created one is what I would normally do. I mean, it makes the most amount of logical sense. And then I would select next, and then you would select finish. Make sure you close and save out of any open programs and applications before you begin, because once started, system restore cannot be interrupted, and then it'll ask you want to continue. Select yes, and give it a moment here to begin. And there you go, guys. Should say system restore completed successfully. Close out here, and that's about it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.